Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? I am Dan from Trading with Dan. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we shall go straight over to those better looking Bitcoin 4-hour charts. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4-hour, as we can see, we are now finally above this resistance area. Broke above a nice green candle, taking us to basically about halfway towards the next target of just over 33,000. You can kind of see the level we are currently holding at the moment, just around these sorts of wicks here, and is basically just the middle of this range. So yeah, nice to see a break up to the middle of the range. Now we just need to see, do we basically continue, do we bull flag this out, continue, test the top side, the top side of the range, test the next resistance level and pull back, or are we going to pull back and back check this support area, and then hopefully hold that, and then pump onwards and upwards to test 33,000. That is basically what we're looking at here. Stock markets are now going to be open today after the American ones, at least anyway, the US ones. You can see we are just back testing into this support that we broke above. Currently holding it, currently bounced off it nicely, so we've got to carry on upwards here, take out this level, and then come into and test our next resistance area, which is just up here. So yeah, providing we do that, providing we hold here, stay bullish, continue to move up, then yeah, we can fully expect Bitcoin to come and test this $33,000 plus level. Looking at some other finance 1.0 markets, dollar index here still hovering around this 101 level. Kind of looks like it could potentially pull back higher here, as in pull back the move down, not pull back downwards. But yeah, maybe it comes and tests into 102.5, and then resumes downwards. We shall have to see. What else do we want to look at on here? The 10-year still holding up there, around there. I mean, did get supported by our support area here, and now we kind of is this just going to be a lower high relative to these highs, and then we take out this low. Yeah, again we'll have to see if people believe the Fed is easing off with its rates, with its aggressive rate hikes. The gold, the Peter Schiff coin, looking still trying to get above this 1880 level, above 1840 though. So pretty much in a no man's land. It's either going to come back below 1840 and then probably come back into the 1700s again, or it's going to get back above 1880 and then probably test towards the mid 1900s again. Oil, look at oil go. Yeah, oil had a little bit of resistance, a little bit of resistance offered by the resistance area, but has subsequently managed to break on through that, and actually through the upside of the trend line as well. So not great for inflation here. So yeah, oil on the move there. So obviously that, like I said, is probably not the best thing for the Fed to ease off with its rate hikes, or ease off what is priced in, at least. Bitcoin dominance still holding above this support area. If we're going to see any real risk on in crypto, this has got to come down. So all eyes on this support area. Ethereum USD pairing up towards its next resistance area. If you can get above this 2100 plus level, then it opens up a decent amount of upside. Maybe even as high as 2,600. Probably, obviously will be 2,400 first, but maybe it only makes it to 2,400. But either way, upside will be opened up above just over 2,100 there. The Ethereum Satoshi pairing not doing too much. Kind of held just back above this support, but not doing a lot here. So yeah, let's have a look at the stochastics. We know that 5 days probably going to be looking alright here. 4 day though can give us a bit of sideways to downwards pressure, which, like I said, could maybe see us testing the support level as support, and then bouncing off it. We shall have to see with that one. The 8 hour 8 hour, well, getting toppy, but still moving to the upside quite nicely. 10 hour, wait for the 10 hour. Yeah, 10 hours still moving upwards. 12 hour looking great. Daily looking good. Bi-daily looking good. 3-day looking good. And 5-day has turned back up here. So there we have the 5-day back up. So now can we have a decent run? A decent move? Looking at this on the 5-day, I mean, you would guess we are going to get towards this $38,000-39,000 level, and then it's a case of do we get into this range, where this will be the difficult range to break above. So I mean, call it about 47,000. But if we do get above into this range, yeah, that will be make or break. To be honest, it will be do we get rejected in this range and come back down and make new lows, or do we break on above and then potentially gun for new highs, basically. So yeah, looking better, at least, but looking better than we have been looking recently. It'd be nice to see the weekly turn up as well, but obviously give it a few more ticks, and then yeah, we may see that. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.